Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best frozen drink slush machine on the market, the Ninja SLUSHi with RapidChill technology. If you love icy treats, frozen drinks, or want a fun way to cool down any time of the year, this machine is designed just for you. The Ninja SLUSHi is a professional-grade frozen drink maker that doesn't require ice to create perfectly slushed drinks. Instead, it uses an innovative two-part system called RapidChill technology. This system spins an auger around a cooling cylinder that freezes your liquid evenly and maintains the ideal temperature for the smoothest, most flavorful icy drinks. This means no more watered-down slushies, just pure frozen goodness every time. With an impressive 88-ounce capacity, it's perfect for parties, gatherings, or just treating yourself to your favorite beverages at home. Whether you want to make margaritas, frappes, milkshakes, frozen coffee, or even slushies from wine, soda, juice, or chocolate milk, this machine can handle it all. The process is simple. Pour in your liquid, select one of the 5 preset programs, and watch it transform your drink into a delicious frozen treat. What makes the Ninja SLUSHi stand out is its one-touch operation and customizable temperature controls. Depending on your preference, you can adjust how thick or thin you want your frozen drink, ensuring the perfect texture every time. The machine can take anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes to complete a batch, depending on what you're making, how much liquid you add, and its starting temperature. For those interested in sugar-free options, the machine has a clever hack. Sugar-free liquids won't slush properly on their own, but by adding recommended sugar substitutes, you can still enjoy a perfect slush without added sugars. This feature expands the versatility for health-conscious users or anyone managing their sugar intake. Cleaning and maintenance are effortless thanks to the easy fill vessel that's removable for quick topping off and simple washing. Plus, the Ninja SLUSHi keeps your drinks frozen and ready to enjoy for up to 12 hours, making it a great choice for events or extended use throughout the day. In terms of size and build, the machine measures roughly 16 by 6.5 by 17 inches and weighs about 24 pounds, giving it a sturdy and premium feel. It's designed with premium accents that look sleek and modern in any kitchen or party setting. The Ninja SLUSHi also comes from a trusted brand known for high-quality kitchen appliances, so you can expect reliability and excellent performance. It's a smart investment if you love having a variety of frozen drinks at your fingertips without the hassle of traditional ice blending or slush-making methods. If you're ready to upgrade your frozen drink game and impress your guests with effortless, delicious icy creations, the Ninja SLUSHi Professional Frozen Drink Maker is a must-have. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you honest insights on the best products to enhance your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. See you next time.